The forest lay silent beneath a heavy blanket of mist. Scattered among the roots and the stones were the pumpkins. Their glow pierced the fog like tiny watchful eyes, guiding or warning wanderers along a narrow, winding path. For in the heart of the misty woods, on this one night of the year, the forest did not feel empty. My name is Mohini Sinha and I'm from India. And most of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. I mostly do nature related painting, mostly related to nature. So this whole class will be related to nature painting with gouache. So in this class we will be learning. So we will first start with the blocking of the background, then the foreground, then the back tree detailing. Then comes the front tree detailing and blocking, giving tree textures to the front trees. Then comes the foreground detailing, which we will be doing with our fan brush. And then comes the pumpkin shaping, blocking all the pumpkins which are there, and then giving details to the pumpkin and some more final details to the pumpkin, giving eyes and nose. And then comes the entire painting and giving a little reflection of the light. So this is it. Let's start with our complete painting, and I'm sure you will enjoy this session.